This week, you have seen major power stocks corrected by more than 5 to 10%. The main trigger is major policy shift. Our Indian government granted four Chinese competitors to participate in the government power tenders, which was banned in 2020 due to border tension. Allowing Chinese competitors means our Indian power companies' profit margins can be squeezed and also can lead to price wars. Before this news, our power stocks and utility stocks were trading at a massive premium. The equipment stocks was trading nearly 65% of the above 10-year average P ratios. When a sector is giving a massive returns due to AI and data center tailwind, any negative news can trigger a shift in the valuation reset as majority of the investors try to book their profits. The bottom line is structural story of power and infrastructure sector hasn't completely vanished. Here is the strategic approach for handling this volatility. What should an investors do? Avoid panic selling. The core demand for the power in India is still projected to grow by 6% CAGR, driven by data center, industrial manufacturing, and electrification. Do not panic sell quality companies due to short-term policy headwinds. There is one sector which is affected by this major policy shift, that is power equipment. Companies such as G Vernova, Hitachi, Siemens, they are directly affected by this Chinese supply exemptions. If you are holding this stock, accept a period of consolidation. Wait for the market to price in the new margin realities before adding any capital. Second is the power generation and distribution sector is the ultimate winner because these companies are the final consumer of these Chinese competitors. For example, think if they import these cheaper equipments for building the new grid and plants, the cost will be reduced. Like they need no need to like spend more money for the capex. So due to this will be a major buying opportunity, potential buying opportunity for this company. Move to a staggered approach. If you are feeling that you want to enter this green energy and power infrastructure space, do not go all in one or invest in lump sum. Invest in staggered approach or small put your money in small tranches. Because over the few or the next month you have to average out your cost as the market stabilizes. So this so the bottom line is this crash is a temporary drag down for the short term, like it's a short term margin threat and valuation reset. You have to watch the Q1 FY 27 like earnings updates for the new growth driver in these sectors. Till then, if you like this information, then please do like, follow, and subscribe my channel. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.